How to share URL of LinkedIn profile. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So let's just get started right away. On your PC, it is super easy. On your mobile phone or in the app, I'd say is a little bit weirder, but all you pretty much have to do is just click on your profile over here. And on your PC here at the top, you can already see a LinkedIn URL. And this URL, if I just were to open a private window real quick to just pretend that I search this link up, will bring you over to this profile. So that is pretty much it for the PC version. Now, if you are on your mobile phone or you somehow can see the link over here, what you can also do is simply click on more. Then here we can see send profile in a message. You want to send the link to anybody in your connection or whatever. And once you click on the person, you actually do not have to send the message, but there is simply just a link right over here. And then you can just copy it. And this is the same link, which you can see over here as well. And now you can also share this. So this might be the better method on your phone. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how to share URL of LinkedIn profile.